Hey everyone, welcome back to Bigleprachaun Bowling. Just like to welcome everyone back. It's Tuesday morning, sitting in the home office, getting ready to eat breakfast, stuff like that. Just thinking about today, thinking about bowling, stuff like that. We'll see how today goes, and then I'll see you guys later on after league this morning.
There's one.
Just finished Tuesday morning league. I shot games at 268, 249, 210 for a 727. Did with my new ball, the Ebonite Choice Pearl. Drilled that up last week on Thursday. Look for a ball review on it soon. And then I'll see you guys later on tonight for Tuesday night league. Hey everyone, I just finished Tuesday night league. I shot games at 232, 258, 190 for a 680. The last game didn't make the right adjustment until frames 9 and 10. So everything went all right. I threw my Choice Pearl again. And like I said earlier, I will have a ball review up for that eventually. I'll probably do one Thursday. So I'll see you all tomorrow for Wednesday night league.
4.
What you got there, Joey?
A frush going, that's it.
A frush.
Frush. One more card for Flush.
Oh my goodness.
Well, drop me off. Drop me off. Nah, 4 and 4. Just straight. You suck, Wendell.
Only Trader Joe.
Only Trader Joe.
That's why I texted him like 5 seconds ago. I know.
I know that. That's got me twice in a row.
Some of the stuff he's got in.
Yeah, you went through too much of the news.
You know?
But I don't understand
Because
your ball's
that's
going
what he's
at an
done with me. He's given me a little bit
Your
of
ball's going
performance
at an angle. You're not
to help
going
me
straight on.
turn
So
the
I don't
ball
see
a
how you're
little
leaving
bit
the
more.
4 sets.
what I wanted to really do with the ball with the shorter span. Yeah, right. You know?
Wait, I'm bald, you don't have to worry about me.
That's why I have my earbud in, so I'm not
We're glad you're on our team here, Miss Katie.
Oh, yeah.
I hope you're having fun.
I'm trying.
Fun. Hell, you're fun. I'm not better than I am. You don't seem mad, do you?
I get it from my dad.
I'm agreed.
You're serious.
Hey, Wendell. Hey everybody, I just finished Wednesday Night League. I shot games of 232, 276, 222 for a 733. I'll take that. That was with the Ebonite Choice Pearl again. I love that ball. It rolls great. I will try and have a ball review up tomorrow of it. But I'll see you guys next week for the next episode. This is the end of episode 6. I'd like to give a shout out to JJ Shriver channel. Make sure to subscribe to that. Make sure to subscribe to Brad and Kyle's channel. Make sure to subscribe to the House Hack Bowling channel. Make sure to subscribe to the House Bowling channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Bigleprachaun Bowling. And I'll see you all next week.